Empowering entrepreneurial leaders with 5-paragraph business plan. Entrepreneurs turn ideas into profitable solutions. 5-paragraph business plan combines proven business and military planning concepts into a powerful tool that's simple and easy to use. Entrepreneurs using 5-paragraph business plan learn how to draw elements from your leader's vision to create your own plan. Become certified in 5-paragraph business plan to accomplish any mission. Contact us today to schedule a workshop. We use auditory, visual, and kinesthetic learning techniques to ensure every learner grasps the full concept of 5-paragraph business plan and can practically apply it to their daily work. 5-paragraph business plan is used in a variety of industries. Learn how to draw elements from your leader's vision to construct your own plan for turning ideas into action. Empowering entrepreneurial leaders with 5-paragraph business plan.